Hey guys, and what is up, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Anabel, the Curvy Planner on Instagram, YouTube, and all the social media. And today's video is not going to be a vlog. I'm trying to ease myself back into creating content regularly like I used to. So today I wanted to show you my little journal that I've been spending a lot of time in, and I actually made this one myself. So if you're interested on how I made this, it's pretty easy. So I can maybe make a video for y'all that's like a little bit more detailed, so you can like make one for yourself, and I can even like link all the supplies that I use. But this is what she looks like. She's a cutie. I love her. I even added like grommets and the whole thing. It's a little like imperfect, like this is like crooked, but it's no big deal. So yeah, super cute. These charms are from, these two are from Hobby Lobby. This one is from a small shop from Austin. It's just like a little smiley face. So you can probably like Etsy it and it'll pop up. This little match one is from Etsy, but they also have some on Amazon that you can look into. So yeah, and then the elastic I got from Amazon, and the leather, I think it's leather, I'm not sure, but it says leather, is from Amazon. And I got the grommets from Amazon. Like everything is from Amazon. Now it's a trifold, so it opens up like, that was dramatic, I'm sorry. So it opens up like so. I'm gonna have to make sure that that is clean, because this is a fountain pen, and sometimes when you like tap it too heavily, too intensely, it kind of drips a little too much. But this is what the inside looks like. The goal is to, I'm actually planning on buying something to like do, like, I guess like it's called embossing, to put my initials down here, and maybe something on the inside. This little wallet is from a small shop, which is called Samantha. I'll link it down below, and I'll also put an image on the screen, because she hand makes these. And then I have, so inside of the little wallet, I just have stickers, and that's it. And then over here, so I have some of the Pop Mart cards that I've gotten from my little figurines. And then this is a little prayer card that my mother-in-law gave me, so I just put it there, because when she gave it to me, I only had this with me, so I just stuck it in there. This is a little seal that came with the order that I did for the wallet. And this is my little journal. And this is technically, I guess, like pocket size. And I put a bunch of stickers on it. And what I've been doing, I'm not going to show too much, because this is definitely very, very personal. I've been practicing writing in cursive, but I've been doing my morning pages in here. And in the back, I have these little dot stickers. And then we can close that up. Then I have this other journal where I am actually trying to keep track, I'm trying to keep a commonplace book. I feel like I'm not doing the greatest job at doing that, but I think I can get better, and I'm gonna still keep it in here, because I think it's a good practice to have. I think I may end up removing this sticker, but this is a sticker from my husband and his cousins. We all played Dungeons and Dragons, and that was my character. So I just put the sticker in there, and I kind of regret doing so. I kind of don't like it. But that's kind of how I have my commonplace book set up. I have like, I have like a key, like to kind of like categorize it and stuff. And I've been doing like decently well, but I feel like I don't write in it all the time, which I wish I could, but at the same time, I don't think that's a point of a commonplace book. And then the last book, the last little journal, is just in here for extra, because I feel like I'm pretty close to finishing up the first one. So I want to have a second one as a backup. So this one's just completely empty. But yeah, that's what I've been keeping with me at all times. It's been my little go-to journal. I love how compact it is, how simple. And if you don't know, this is an inspiration by the Louise Carmen journals. I would love to have a Louise Carmen, but they are so expensive, and it is not in my budget to be able to afford one at the moment, maybe one day. But for now, I'm just gonna DIY my own and give complete credit to Louise Carmen because this is not an original idea, but I just think it's adorable and I love it so much. But anyways, I just wanted to share that with you all because it's just a simple little setup and it's helped me more than I can actually say, that I can actually express, because I have been a little bit off my planner game, but at the same time, journaling has helped me so much, and writing down my thoughts and feelings and emotions has been very, very helpful and therapeutic. But anyways, I'll talk to you later. I know this was a short one, but I love you guys, and tune back for Thursday for another video. Bye. Mwah.